So if you're getting a loud squeaking noise coming from your engine bay, most likely what you have here is a worn out belt, or more commonly, worn out pulleys. So any pulley with a bearing inside will cause squeaking. It's going to be hard to see, but mostly the bearings that always squeak are going to be the idler pulleys, the tensioner pulleys, the alternator, as well as the AC compressor pulley, and sometimes, depending on the make and model, the water pump pulley. Usually a crankshaft pulley does not squeak like that. So to fix this issue is to identify the squeaking pulley and go ahead and replace it.